Here is a 2023 Nissan Altima with emergency lights and siren installed. We added window tints all around. The emergency lights are activated by a custom installed switch inside. We installed 4 MOS 209s in red blue. We flashed the high beams and daytime running lights. In the front are MOS 81s. On the side windows are MOS 209s. The rear tail lights are flashed as well. In the back we added MOS 981s. Next is the Phoenix controller. It activates the emergency lights. The controller can activate the horns from factory to custom. It also activates multiple sirens available to use. Let's take a closer look at the lighting installation. We added a strip of window tint to conceal these lights. If you have a fleet in need of GPS tracking, emergency or auxiliary lighting, backup camera system, or a complete video recording surveillance system, be sure to contact Move It On and let us put 40 years of experience to work for you.